Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in this video we're going to be doing a full in-depth speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G versus the Samsung Galaxy S9. Let's hop right into it. Also, if you guys would be so kind, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. We're shooting for 1,000 subscribers within 6 months, so please hit that sub button. Now let's hop right into the speed test. Okay, so we've arrived at the speed test portion of this video. I'm just going to go through several applications and see which one loads up faster. They're connected to the same Wi-Fi network, which is awesome, and put them on an even playing field. And there's no apps currently open on either, which is great. So yeah, let's just kick this off with Anchor. This is the podcast app I use for producing my podcast. 3, 2, 1. And as you can see, S21 much faster there. Let's go into YouTube Music. 3, 2, 1. And as you can see, S21 faster there. I'm not going to close any apps. Let's go into some Samsung specific apps. Let's go into Calendar. S21 there. Now let's go into, let's try Google Maps. If I could find it. Google Maps, 3, 2, 1. And that's not even close. Let's try another Samsung app. Let's go into Notes. 3, 2, 1, and go. That wasn't even close. Let's try Play Store. 3, 2, 1. S21 taking it home. Let's try, let me check another app here. Calculator. They should load instantaneously on the S21. Yep, that was even quicker on this 21. Let's go into, could try Snapchat. 3, 2, 1. Well, it's obviously logged me out there, but S21 was still faster there. Let's go into Mercari. 2, 1. And as you can see, way faster on the Galaxy S21. Let's go into, I want to try Venmo, but nah. Let's try TikTok. 3, 2, 1.
Sometimes I'll start a sentence and I don't even know where it's going. A lot of you
that
like
wasn't even
1.
close. Let's do a couple more. Let's go into reminders. 3, 2, 1. And that wasn't even close either. Gallery. 3, 2, 1. Not bad. And let's try Chrome. 3, 2, 1. Obviously I have different web pages loaded up, but whatever. Let's try camera. 3, 2, 1. Obviously faster there. And let's do one more Samsung app. Let's do Clock, which also should load instantaneously. And it's not there. It's not there. Here we go. 2, 1. And much faster. So yeah. Okay guys, so that was just a quick speed comparison between the Galaxy S21 and the Galaxy S9. Big takeaways from this is definitely they've upped the speed with Galaxy S21 since it has the Snapdragon 888 chip, and the Galaxy S9 has the Snapdragon 845, which is, I think, 2 generations behind now. Yeah, because there was the Galaxy S20 series, the S10 series, and then the S9 series, so it's 2 generations behind at this point. So yeah, the Galaxy S9 is still a speedy phone, however it doesn't really compete with the Snapdragon 888, which is a 5nm processor, which is also extremely fast, and you can't really beat this. This is probably like the most powerful phone in the market right now because it has that new chip inside of it. So yeah, if you're looking for a speedy phone, make sure to go check out the Galaxy S21 5G. Fantastic phone, and I highly recommend it. And if you're on a budget, you can pick up the Galaxy S9 for probably around $250, $300 used on eBay or Mercari, somewhere like that. So I'd still recommend this device just because it also has like a Super AMOLED display and it's pretty snappy, decent camera. But if you want the newest and greatest, go check out the Galaxy S21. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video on the channel. Peace out.